Dear students, we will move to the exercise here. Exercise 4.2. From first question to third question, we are having choose the correct option and give justification. And these type of questions carries 1 marks. Why? Because options they are given and directly you have to solve, and which are easy. See, from the point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle is 24 centimeter. See, length of the tangent they have given 24 centimeter, and the distance of the cube from the center is 25. See, distance of the cube from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is, we have to find radius. By using Pythagoras we can solve this problem. See, first I have written OPQ is a right angle triangle. In given they have written by Pythagoras theorem, what we are knowing here, hypotenuse square is equals to sum of other two side squares. OQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square. Here unknown is only OP. Two sides are given. Now OQ equals to 25 square. OP equals to don't know, you keep as such. QP is equals to 24 square. See, 25 square is nothing but 625. 24 square is nothing but 576. Now OP square is equals to 625 minus 576, which is equals to 49. Therefore OP is equals to under root of 49. Therefore OP equals to 7 centimeter is our answer. Second question. In the figure 4.11, if TP and TQ are the two tangent to the circle with the center O, so that angle POQ equals to 110 degree, then PTQ is equals to, we have to find this angle. They have given a 4 option here, A, B, C, D, and 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree they have given here. So we will see now solution. Again it is solved by the properties of the quadrilateral directly. Why? Because the options they have given, direct question you have to solve here. We are knowing in the quadrilateral POQT, sum of opposite sides are supplementary in quadrilateral. That only I have wrote here. Angle PTQ plus POQ is equals to 180 degree. PTQ plus 110 is equals to 180 degree. Now angle PTQ is equals to 180 minus 110. We are getting 70 degree answer. So here you have to write along with the option, which is very necessary. Option here is B, 70 degree. Next question, third question. If tangent PA and PB from the point P to the circle with the center O are inclined to each other at angle 80 degree, then POA is equal to POA. ಇದು angle ಎಷ್ಟದ ಕೇಳಾರ. Now we are knowing OA is perpendicular to PA, OB is perpendicular to PB. Perpendicular means 90 degree we can write here. OPB equals to OAP equals to 90 degree. Now in quadrilateral AOBP, sum of the angles of quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. Now these two perpendicular means 90 degree we know, just we will substitute, and they have given this angle 80 degree. Now we should add these three angles and subtract from 360. We are getting angle AOB. See, once we get this angle, afterwards what we will do? We will bisect that angle. Why? Because we want only half. Half means what? Angle divided by 2. 100 divided by 2 gives 50 degree. 50 degree is our final answer. But here you have to write along with it option. Option A, 50 degree.